Hi everyone. Now let us talk about how to create TypeScript and compile using tsconfig file. How to modify the TypeScript compiler options by adding tsconfig.json file. Step-by-step demo. Now let's go to the demo. Already I have the hello world program. I delete this JavaScript file because we don't need it. I will keep only the ts hello world.ts file. Now let us add the tsconfig.json file plus tsconfig.json. Here let's paste these options, compiler options. Let me remove and type it one by one. Compiler options. Open parenthesis and target ES5 module common.js output directory out dir folder name is out. So these are the things. Basically we want to compile to ES5 using the common.js module and output directory. Let me save this file. When you have a tsconfig file, the TypeScript compiler, you don't have to include the TypeScript file name, because in the current folder whatever files are there, that will be used by TypeScript compiler by default. So I am in the hello world folder. Let me type tsc. Don't need to pass any parameter. It will read the tsconfig.json file and execute it. So it read that tsconfig.json file and it was executing like this, and it created the folder, output folder. Under that it created the JavaScript file. So now if you want to test this JavaScript file, you can go node space out slash hello world.js. It will print the hello world. Okay, so this is how you will be able to modify the TypeScript compiler options. In the next video we will see more detail. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and if you have any questions, please ask your question in the comments and share with your friends. We will answer your questions in this YouTube channel. Tap the bell notification symbol. Thank you.